Meow. Lesson 9. Remember yesterday? You learned pronouns. I, you, he, she, we, they. Today, we connect them with the most important verb in English, to be. This verb has 3 forms: am, is, are. Why is this verb so important? Because you use it constantly. I am a cat. You are learning. She is nice. We are friends. They are students. See? It is everywhere. Master this verb today, and you can make real sentences, complete sentences, sentences that mean something. Let us do this. First, what does to be mean? It means to exist, to be something, to be somewhere. I am here. I exist here. You are a student. You exist as a student. The fish is delicious. The fish exists as delicious. It is about being, about what something is. In many languages, this verb is complicated. In English, still a bit weird, but manageable. Let us learn the 3 forms: am, is, are. First form, am. This one is easy because it only goes with one pronoun, I. Repeat after me. I am. I am. That is it. I am. Always together. Let us practice. Repeat these sentences. I am a student. I am happy. I am here. I'm learning English. I'm ready. Important rule. I am correct. I is wrong. I are wrong. Only I am. Remember this. Now make your own sentence. I am something about you. Say it out loud. Good. You used am. Second form, is. This goes with 3 pronouns: he, she, it. We did not learn it yet, but it is for things, not people. Repeat after me. He is. She is. It is. Examples with he. He is my friend. He is Paul. He is nice. Examples with she. She is my teacher. She is smart. She is kind. Examples with it. It is a cat. Talking about an animal or thing. It is hot. Talking about weather. It is good. Quick test. I will give you a subject. You add is. My father. My father is. The cat. The cat is. My sister. My sister is. The book. The book is. Perfect. You understand is. Third form, are. This goes with 3 pronouns: you, we, they. Repeat after me. You are. We are. They are. Examples with you. You are a student. Talking to one person or many people. You are learning. You are great. You really are. Examples with we. We are friends. We are learning English. We are here. Examples with they. They are students. They are nice. They are ready. Quick test. I will give you a subject. You add are. My friends. My friends are. You and I. you and I are, or we are. The cats. The cats are. My parents. My parents are. Excellent. You understand are. Let us see everything together. This is super important. The to be verb. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. See the pattern? I always am. He, she, it always is. You, we, they always are. Let us practice the whole thing. Repeat after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Begin. Faster. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Perfect. You know them all. Now, here is something cool. In casual English, we make these shorter. We use contractions. We stick them together. Full form contraction. I am. You are. Your. He is. He's. She's. She's. It's. We are. Where. They are. There. Examples. I am happy equals am happy. You are nice. You're nice. He is tall equals he's tall. We are ready equals we're ready. Important. Full forms equals more formal, clear. Contractions equals more casual, natural. Both are correct. Use contractions when speaking casually. Use full forms when writing formally or when you want to be very clear. Let us practice contractions. Repeat after me. I'm learning English. You're doing great. She's my friend. We're students. They're nice. Good. Natural English. Now the fun part. Let us make complete sentences. Formula. Pronoun plus to be plus information. Examples. I plus am happy equals I am happy. She plus is plus a teacher equals she is a teacher. They plus students equals they are students. Let's practice. I will give you pieces. You put them together. I plus am plus tired. You say, I am tired. You plus are plus smart. You say, you are smart. He plus is plus a doctor. You say, he is a doctor. We plus are plus friends. You say, we are friends. They plus are plus happy. You say, they are happy. Now let's describe things. I am a cat. I am hungry. I am smart. You are a student. You are learning. You are doing great. They are watching. They are learning. They are awesome. Your turn. Make 3 sentences about yourself using I am. Say them out loud. Excellent. Quick bonus. How to say not. Just add not after the verb. Positive, negative. I am happy. To lie and not happy. He is tall. To he is not tall. We are ready. To we are not ready. Contractions for negative. I am not. To I am not. He is not. To he isn't. Or he's not. They are not. To they aren't. Or they're not. Practice 1. I am not tired. She is not here, or she is not here. Good. We will practice more later, but now you know the basics. Homework time. Task 1. Complete this chart. Write it down. Fill in the sentences about yourself and people you know. Task 2. Today, make 10 sentences using am, is, are, out loud. Talk to yourself. Examples. I am at home. The weather is nice. My friends are happy. Task 3. In the comments, write one sentence using am, is, or are. Examples. I am learning English. This lesson is helpful. We are students. Write it. Practice. In Lesson 10, we learn question words. What, where, who, when, why, how. These words let you ask things. And with to be, you can ask questions like, what is this? Where are you? Who is she? Exciting stuff. But today, you learned the most important verb, the verb you use every day. Pronouns plus to be equals complete sentences. You're building your English, piece by piece, word by word. Keep going. You are doing amazing. See you tomorrow. Meow.